Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. So today we're gonna keep it easy. Just a Kassler, which are pork chop, broccoli and passion fruit sauce. We're gonna start with the passion fruit. We're just gonna cut it into halves and we're gonna make a juice with it with some honey and water. Yeah, just like that. We're gonna remove the passion fruit from it, well, kind of the shell of the passion fruit. Yeah, just like that, all of them. Now we're gonna add around a tablespoon of honey, and then we're gonna fill our blender with a little bit of water. For your reference, it is just around 180 grams of milliliter of water, just around like that. We're gonna blend it and just reserve it on the side. By this time we don't need anything else. Yeah, now lid on, and we are gonna blend it, and as I said, we'll just keep it on the side. Yeah, on the other side I got some coconut oil in our pan. I got two pans, one for the Kassler, which are these lovely pieces of pork. This is a German name. I also guess in English one is Kassler. If you are Venezuelan, this is chuleta ahumada. Yeah, this is kind of smoked pork chops. Yeah, let's make some place here for the fifth one. Yeah, just like that. And now we're gonna let it here cook, and we move to our second pan. We are also adding some coconut oil this time. Yeah, for our broccoli. I got this version of broccoli. They are kind of long ones, and I'm just gonna add them to our pan. Yeah, let's speed this up. Yeah, and with some salt, of course some pepper as well for our broccoli, and we're just gonna let it cook just like that. And now it's time for our chops to Kassler, just to cook them from the other side. As you may see here, the video is just not so good, but just turn them. It's as easy as it looks from the other side, and that's it. Now lid on in both pans, and we are just ready to go. Yeah, as you may see, it's quite easy. Now look, we are just so far. Now it's time for our use. The first thing we did for this recipe, we want to just strain it. Yeah, just on the pan straight away, and just let it cook. They just came out with the idea of adding a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of salt as well, salt, pepper and turmeric. I should have added this turmeric at the beginning or stir fry a little bit, but nevertheless it's not a big deal. I'm just adding a little bit just to reinforce the color of the sauce. That's a main issue, the main thing, sorry, why I decided to add the turmeric. Now we just let this cook a little bit, and after that we're gonna just remove our Kassler and just get the sauce with consistency. So it's time for the broccoli. As you may see, we're just almost done. We're just gonna turn it a little bit. Yeah, just just like that. We are just ready to eat, as well as our Kassler is also almost done here as well. Yeah, now I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame seeds on top, and just turn off the heat and cover it again with a lid. Yeah, it's just like that. You see, I remove the Kassler, and I add a teaspoon, sorry, of flour, and just a little bit of the sauce, and we're gonna just mix it, just kind of blend it like that, manually of course, as you may see, and then we're gonna just add it to our sauce. It's just because of the consistency. The passion fruits is very watery use. That's why we need this a little bit of flour for the consistency, as we don't have anything else, yeah, to improve the consistency. But it's very important to do it separately, because you want the flour to be completely dissolved. You don't want to notice it, and you have to do it separately, like you see, so that you will not see anything in the sauce. But nevertheless, I will use the strain and just add it through it to the pan, and just, yeah, that's it. And now we just give a little bit of heat, and it will get the consistency of our sauce. It's just as easy as you may see in the video. Yeah, you see, just a little bit, heat up, and sometime it will come the consistency, and we're just ready. So we place on the bottom of our pan our broccoli. As you may see, it's very crunchy. Just turn it off and let it there. It's steamed basically. Yeah, we're gonna just this will be the bottom of our plate. I'm using a single plate for everything, yeah, and then share it on the table. Yeah, it's nice to share, as like everything in the kitchen is nice to share. Yeah. So now on top we're gonna add our Kasslers, just like that, and we're gonna put our sauce just on top of it, and that's it. Our passion fruit Kassler with broccoli. It's very easy, very tasty, and I hope you like it. This is a light dinner. Of course, you can add any other things you like potatoes, rice, or any other veggies. If you don't like broccoli, you can just adapt it to your needs, and also what you like and what you have at home. So I hope you like it together, and take care and have a nice journey. Cheers.